Welcome back to RBO. Today guys, we're going to be going over the Taco Bell survival kit. This is one of their basic nacho packs. And turn it into a survival kit. Right here. You just gotta finesse it a little bit. Pops right off. Here, you just have 2 packs of nuts, berries. You also have this top dish you can use as some kind of bowl or water collection or anything like that. We also have a little survival card. These are great little tools. This one actually has the index. This is what all it has. There's the placement. But this is a great little card to have. Doesn't take up that much room. And it does stretch your abilities very, well, not very far, but a good amount. Very notable amount. Here we have a single pack of 10-hour hand warmers. Two blocks of fire starting fuel. We have a magnification lens, fire starting. We have an extra large Mylar survival blanket. This can be used for building a shelter as well. Another way of signaling, we have this reflective sheet we use as a signal mirror. Here we have our basic, why am I blanking here, guys? Tinfoil. Oh, sorry, I was thinking about that. Here we have our basic tinfoil. I thought I had 2 of those packs in here. This is mostly used for fire starting. If you're in a dry or wet environment and you need to get somewhere that's dry and you have dry shavings, you don't want to put it on the wet ground and everything, this works great for that. It also can work great for for cooking. Here we have our fishing kit. It has our line. We have our little sinkers down here. We have our lead. We also have 2 bobbers and a micro little crawdad. It almost looks like glows in the night though. Can't tell. Here we have 3 packets of vitamin C. And then we have some sealed tinder, some basic cotton in a sealed package. For cordage, we just have some twine, some basic garden twine. Our compass is just a basic compass, but it works great. Another way of signaling, we have a yellow clip emergency whistle. This can clip onto your shirt, your pants, shorts, even your socks. But it's great to have a way to stretch your noise abilities, especially in the wilderness where there's so many trees and hills and terrain where it's going to block it out, and rivers and lakes and whatnot. For light, we have our little Harbor Freight bag light that we snapped off the clip for. Here's our water containment bag, just tied up with some trash bag ties. We have a UST water activated towelette. This is mostly for hygiene or even filtering out water. For fire starting, we have our ferrocerium rod here. Another cordage, we have some more snare wire. We have water activated towel, not water activated, water purification tablets. I don't know what's going on with me today. Sorry guys. One of those days. Here we just have the basic sewing kit, just needle and thread, wrapped around some cardboard. Similar little thing, duct tape wrapped around some cardboard, mostly for gear repair and fire starting. And then for our tool, we have our Swiss Army knife. A very basic Swiss Army knife has the 2 blades. You got the 2 blades, you got the 2 can openers, or bottle opener and can opener, as well as a screwdriver, corkscrew. I believe this is the awl Yeah, that's the awl right there. We have our toothpick and our tweezers. Very little knife. Does the job. And we have our little bowl down here for more water collection or whatever you need it for. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.